Hi, my name is Courtney Maccia, and I did my project on promoting school connectedness among minority youth through experience-based urban farming. This article was about a low-income school district in Alabama. The students participated in a farming program. This farming program included working in the farm and working with a farmer's market that sold produce to the local community. Both parents and students participated in focus groups about this project, and the parents and students both noted a growth in responsibility, communication, and self-efficacy between all the students. I was very interested in this topic because I do work in a Title I school in Philadelphia, which is very similar to the school mentioned in this article. We did just create a community farm at our school and starting to grow plants now, which made this article very interesting to me. I do notice with my parents in my school, there is a disconnect between our parents and the school. So I was interested to see how this community farm created more connectedness between the school and the parents with us having a new farm. I learned that this can promote conversations between students and parents. Many of the parents noted that students were more open to explaining what was happening at the farm, what they were doing with the farm, and talking about what they can do at home with the farm. It grows school and community connectedness. Many parents were noted in saying that this was a community pillar, that everyone can come and talk and communicate with the students who are selling the produce, and it just brings everyone together. It also promotes higher order thinking and social skills. Students were quoted in saying that they had to figure out solve problems together, learning how to communicate with each other as well as other people when they were buying and selling the produce. The connection to the course was that it builds motivation in students, which is something that we read about in our very first lesson. It was in Deemer Chapter 1. Students were very motivated to come to school because they could go to the farm. One of the parents was quoted in saying that their child had not missed a single day of school since starting the farming program. The child was motivated to go to school because they knew that after school they were able to go to the farm and work with their hands. It also hits on multiple intelligences, which is what we talked about with the SWORD articles. It was real-world applications with school subjects like science, math, even using technology. It was very hands-on activities, so the students who might have not been what they say is book smarts could also use their hands and create different things. It works with the spatial students who need to do more hands-on activities. It helped with their social skills, which was already also discussed in our course.